Hi, my name is Noah Keene. I'm here again for Design for Manufacturing Mondays, here to talk about something a little different than our first two topics, fabrication, more specifically bending. So with bending, right, it's a totally different ball game. Everything is determined by the tool library that you have and the machine that you have to bend things. So when you're designing a product, you really want to try to design your product around common dies and punches that a lot of companies would have. If you start to go into the custom categories with your tooling, then you're looking at the company buying at the tools. Normally, even a small section of them can be about $3,000. So if you're trying to make a lot of parts, a couple thousand, maybe that's not so bad. But if you're just trying to make your 10 prototypes, well, you just made them, $3,000 more expensive. So the most common problem that you have is that the geometry of the parts, when they're bent, will form back up on itself. So you can't make a totally enclosed box, for example, because on the last bend, there's nowhere for the tools to go. This is our Amada HD 8025 brake. We've had this brake for about 5 years. We've had a number of brakes before this. This brake is great. Fabrication is becoming very well modernized with new technology. Used to be much more of an art form. So it's a lot easier for people like myself that don't specialize in fabrication to know a little bit more. So you really want to make sure you get out there and understand the types of tools that companies use. If you have a really custom thing that has to be done, then that's fine. Just understand that the tools can range from $3,000 to $10,000 just for that one part. So if you have a bunch of custom things you're about to make, your whole prototype is going to be really expensive. So what you see behind me and on the B-roll, you have your sash punch, which is really common. You can use it to form up parts like this. You see this all the time, right? This is just an air filter cover, but it has several bends in it. You can see it has a little return bend and like that. But still, because we designed this part, we know what tools we have. We're just using our common standard tools. Makes the part really easy setup. It makes it really cheap. And that's what you want to do.